Hello, students of class 2. I hope you all are doing well, right, children? And I hope you all are safe, right? So, children, it's me, your assistant teacher Sangmo ma'am. Children, in today's class, we will start with a new lesson, that is lesson 6, clothing we use, right? So, before starting this chapter, children, I want to tell you is that I hope you all have done your exercises, right, that I gave you on my last class, right? So, I hope you all have write it down in your copy, SST copy. If you have not done it, please do it, right? So, I want you all to do MCQ, fill in the blanks, true and false in your book, SST book, and all the question and answer and word meaning you have to write it down in your copy. All right. So let us start with the lesson. So here, just turn to page number 25. The chapter is 6 and the name of our chapter is clothing we use. CLOTHING is, you have to pronounce it as clothing. All right. We use. All right. So first we will read, children, then I will explain it to you. All right. First we will read, we will underline the difficult words, then we will learn it. All right. Then I will explain this to you line by line. All right. So first one is clothing we use. We all, here it's written water clothes. All right. So just cut this water, children, wherever here it's written water. So what will be here? Instead of water, write WEAR, wear. We all wear clothes, right? Not we all water clothes. This is meaningless, all right? So there will not be in this line or in this like what sentence water it's written, right? Cancel the word water and write where. All right, so there will not be water. Instead, what will be there? We all wear clothes, not we all water clothes. All right. Do we water clothes? No. We all wear what? Clothes. Wear means पहनना. हम लोग सब क्या करते हैं? कपड़े पहनते हैं, right? We all wear clothes. Instead of water, you write WEAR, wear. Got it? So after that, we wear different types of clothes. Clothes protect our body from heat, cold, wind, rain, and dust. They give us a special appearance. APPEARANCE. It is, you have to pronounce it as appearance. All right, say it, children. Appearance. All right, they make us look smart. SMART. You have to pronounce it as smart. And PLEASING is pleasing. Okay, pleasing. We wear different types of clothes in different seasons. All right, so let us once again read clothing we use. We all wear clothes. We wear different types of clothes. Clothes protect our body from heat, cold, wind, rain, and dust. They give us a special appearance. They make us look smart and pleasing. We wear different types of clothes in different seasons, right? So, children, from here you underline clothing. All right. So, from here, next come to we all wear clothes. Underline clothes. We wear different types of clothes. All right. Underline different. Underline wear. Clothes protect our body from. Underline clothes. Underline protect. Underline body. Underline heat. Underline cold. Underline wind. Underline rain. Underline dust. They give us a spatial. Underline the word spatial. Underline the word appearance. They make us look smart and pleasing. Underline the word smart. Underline the word pleasing. Okay, after that, underline the word we wear different types of clothes in different season. Underline the word seasons. All right. So here clothing we use means what? The different types of clothes we use. All right, so here different, what are the, we will learn in this chapter, we will learn what are the different types of clothes we use or we wear. All right, so clothing we use का मतलब कपड़े जो हम इस्तेमाल करते हैं, that is called clothing we use. All right, and we all wear clothes, as we all know that, right children? Without clothes can we survive? Yes, we can survive, but it's not like what, possible to be without, okay, to live without clothes, right? So we all the human beings, we wear what? We wear clothes. All right, तो हम लोग we wear, all wear clothes का मतलब हम सब लोग क्या करते हैं? कपड़े पहनते हैं, right? We wear different types of clothes, right? As we all know that we wear clothes, but we also wear what? Different types of clothes. Not everyone wears same type of clothes, right? We all wear different types of clothes. Each and every person wear different types of clothes. They have their own choice of wearing their clothes, right children? So we wear different types of clothes means what? हम लोग क्या करते हैं? हम सब कपड़े क्या करते हैं? अलग अलग कपड़े अलग अलग चॉइस से क्या करते पहनते हैं. ऑलराइट, क्लोथ्स प्रोटेक्ट आवर बॉडी फ्रॉम हीट, कोल्ड, विंड, रेन एंड डस्ट. Clothes, all right, we wear different types of clothes, and that clothes, what do it do? It protects our body. All right, it protects का मतलब वो सुरक्षा करते हैं किसको? हमारे बॉडी को, right? From what? From, it protects our body from heat, right? From the cold, from the wind, from the rain, and from the dust. All right, heat means what? गर्मी. Cold means सर्दी. All right, wind means what? हवा. Rain means बारिश. Dust means धूल. तो ये सब चीज़ से, ओके, ये क्लोथ्स और कपड़े हम लोग को किस चीज़ से बचाते हैं? सुरक्षा करते हैं हीट से, राइट? हीट मतलब गर्मी से, कोल्ड का मतलब सर्दी से, विंड का मतलब हवा से, रेन का मतलब बारिश से, और धूल का मतलब डस्ट से. All right, they give us a special appearance, right? When we wear clothes, how do we look? We get a like special appearance, right? Special appearance means what children? Special appearance means it gives us a glamorous or likable appearance, right? So what do the clothes do? They give us, or like they gives us a special or important like likable looks. All right, और वो हमें विशेष उपस्थिति देते हैं. All right, तो कपड़े, they make us look smart and pleasing, right? When we wear when we wear good clothes, when we wear like special clothes on special days, how do we look? We look smart and pleasing, right? We look what? Attractive. We look glamorous. We look smart, right? तो वो कपड़े हमें क्या करते हैं? स्मार्ट और आकर्षक बनाते हैं. ऑलराइट, वी वेयर डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ क्लोथ्स इन डिफरेंट सीजन्स. according to the seasons, we wear different types of clothes. Like during summer seasons, what we wear light cotton clothes. During winter season, we wear warm clothes. And during rainy seasons, what we wear what? Like waterproof clothes, right? So this means that in different seasons we wear different types of clothes. हर एक सीजन्स में, अलग अलग सीजन्स में हम लोग अलग अलग टाइप का कपड़े पहनते हैं. ऑलराइट चिल्ड्रन, सो लेट अस क्विकली रिवाइज इट. क्लोथिंग वी यूज, तो जो हम लोग like clothing we use means the clothes that we use in our day to day life, or right? So we all wear clothes, we all know that, right children? We all wear clothes, and those clothes, what do we wear? We wear different types, okay? Each person wears different types of clothes. We all have our own choice of wearing our clothes, right? So that clothes protect us from different like features, right? It protects our body from heat, from cold. It protects our body from rain. It protects our body from dust. It protects our body from wind, right? So when we wear clothes, we feel what? Special. We feel like smart, right? We feel like we are looking smart, we are looking what, our appearance, outer appearance looks what, cool, right? So that clothes, when we wear clothes, they give us a special appearance, right? And while wearing like smart clothes, right, like when we wear a good like dressing, when we have a good dressing sense, like that time what do we feel? We feel that we are looking smart and we are looking pleasing, right? So we wear different types of clothes in different seasons, right? We, in summer seasons we wear light clothes or cotton clothes. In winter season we wear warm clothes. In rainy season, what do we wear waterproof clothes. All right, children. So क्या इन हिंदी लेट मी टेल यू कि क्लोथिंग वी यूज़ का मतलब है कपड़े जो हमें इस्तेमाल, कपड़े इसके हम लोग इस चैप्टर में जो कपड़े हम लोग इस्तेमाल करते हैं उसके बारे में पढ़ेंगे. हम सब लोग क्या करते हैं, कपड़े तो पहनते हैं, राइट, पर हम लोग अलग अलग क्या करते हैं, हम अलग अलग लाइक हम सब कपड़े तो पहनते हैं, राइट, पर हम सब आदमी क्या करते हैं, अलग अलग टाइप का, अलग अलग पसंद का कपड़े पहनते हैं, राइट. जैसे कि कोई पहनते हैं साड़ीज़, कोई पहनते हैं पैंट्स, कोई ट्राउजर्स, सम ऑफ देम वेयर टी शर्ट्स, राइट. तो ये कपड़े हम लोग को क्या करते हैं, ये कपड़े पहनने से इट प्रोटेक्ट्स आवर बॉडी. ओके, ये हमारे शरीर को किस चीज़ से प्रोटेक्ट करते हैं, जैसे कि गर्मी से, सर्दी से, धूल से, हवा से, बारिश से प्रोटेक्ट करते हैं. और जब हम लोग क्या करते हैं, कपड़े पहनते हैं, ये हमें कैसे दिखते हैं, एक स्पेशल अपीयरेंस, हमें विशेष उपस्थिति देते हैं. ऑलराइट. एंड वो कपड़े दे मेक अस लुक स्मार्ट एंड प्लीजिंग. वो हमें स्मार्ट और क्या करते हैं, आकर्षक बनाते हैं. जब हम लोग कपड़े पहनते हैं तो हम लोग स्मार्ट और आकर्षित दिखते हैं. ऑलराइट. तो हम लोग डिफरेंट सीजन्स में, अलग अलग सीजन्स में अलग अलग टाइप के कपड़े पहनते हैं. जैसे कि गर्मी सीजन में गर्म कपड़े, हल्का वाला कपड़ा, राइट, लाइक समर, सर्दी के सीजन्स पे रेन वाटरप्रूफ क्लोथ्स पहनते हैं, राइट. एंड सर्दी के मौसम में, सर्दी के सीजन्स में क्या करते हैं, हम लोग गर्म का कपड़े पहनते हैं, राइट. सो हियर डाउन यू कैन सी हियर द pictures are given here. This boy, what is he wearing? He is like you all. He is a student and he is wearing a school uniform, right? And next to that is a boy. He is wearing a casual wear, all right? He is wearing a t-shirt and a pant, right? And next to him is a woman or lady. She is a nurse and she is wearing a nurse dress, right? She is a nurse, as you can see from her आउटर अपीयरेंस. ऑलराइट, उसके अपीयरेंस से, उसके कपड़े से ही हम बता सकते हैं कि वो क्या है, ये लेडी क्या है, नर्स है. एंड नेक्स्ट टू दैट इज अ मैन. ऑलराइट, ही इज वेयरिंग वन डिफरेंट क्लोथ्स, लाइक different clothes. He is wearing what, like upper one, I think, like he is what, politician, right? So from his like appearance we can say that he is giving a speech or he is like a politician. And next to that is what, an army man. All right, he is carrying a gun and he is wearing a dress, army dress. All right, and below that is what, the different types of clothes that we wear in different seasons. All right, then this boy is wearing t-shirt and a half pant, and the season he is wearing in which season, summer season. All right, and next to him is a boy wearing a cap, wearing a muffler, wearing a muffler or a scarf, wearing a sweater, woolen sweater, wearing a pant. All right, and he's wearing a shoe. All right, and he's wearing this clothes during this season, during winter season, because during winter season how do we feel, we feel cold, right? During winter season के टाइम पे हम लोग को ठंड होता है, so हम लोग सर्दी का कपड़े पहनते हैं, राइट. एंड समर सीजन बहुत गर्मी होता है तो हम लोग क्या करते हैं, लाइट कपड़े पहनते हैं, कॉटन क्लोथ्स पहनते हैं. एंड डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ पीपल वेयर डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ क्लोथ्स. फ्रॉम हियर यू कैन सी डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ पीपल वेयर डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ क्लोथ्स. आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड टिल हियर चिल्ड्रेन. आई वांट यू ऑल टू गो थ्रू द चैप्टर and read it once. All right, that is on page number 25. All right, just underline the difficult words whatever I have given, learn the spellings correctly, write the spellings in your copy. All right, so this is it for today. Study well, take care children. Okay, take care and study well. Meet you in my next class.